Alright guys, welcome back to the next episode, episode 3 of AUS TASKER. Last episode we got our mud skipper hat and now we will put it in the bank. After I quickly do this, right in there with our current uniques from our tasks that we have had. In there it goes for safekeeping. But the most important part and what we're all here for, let's roll our very next task. We'll go into the task roller dashboard now. Generate a task. What we are hoping for is a diary task. We want something that's going to give us some teleports, some GP, let us tick off some quests maybe would be cool. Something to give us a bit of progress on the account. So without further ado, what are we going to get? 1 dark totem piece. Alright, so to do this, one unique dark totem piece or ancient shard, which means we have to go in the catacombs of Kourend, which I think includes the Giant's Den, which will be probably our best spot to safe spot some hill giants. Sorry, are they hill giants in there? Yeah, there's hill giants in there. They're the lowest level, which will make it the quickest. Their drop table, let's see where it is. Drop table, so in the catacomb territory, or we can go in the catacombs and in the castle too for them. But the best drop is 1 in 310 for the ancient shard, 1 in 465 for all of the totem pieces. So that's going to be maybe our first goal, but when we get over there I'll check out what other monsters there are that we can kill. However, to get there we need to go speak to Vios, who luckily enough is just over here. We'll go and speak to him, and I believe he'll either let us travel. We may have to complete a quest from Lumbridge, I'm not sure. So let's just quickly check. He should be at this ship, yeah. Talk to us. Tell me about the Great Kourend. Great music, by the way. Oh, where do I want to go? Great Kourend's over here, isn't it? Nope. I'm so bad with directions. Up here. Port. Okay. As you wish. Okay, sweet. So we're going to get there. We'll go to the castle. I should have probably geared up a bit better than this. But we'll head to the castle where we can kill some... Go down into the catacombs. Kill some hill giants maybe? But we might just do a bit of a hunt around and see what's in there. Okay, I'm really praying that this is just going to let me go down. Let's have a look. Sure does. Okay. Well, yeah, that's a hard no. Oh, okay, well there's hill giants there. Hill giants here. Let's see if I attack this guy, can I safe spot him? Is he going to come down here? Maybe. No, okay. So it's pretty viable. We'll do one quick kill, see if we can one and done this. Fingers crossed, everybody, to make this a very quick task. And if not, we'll go maybe get some gear. Alright, let's have a quick look. Not one and done. Alright, we'll come back when we have some more gear. So while I'm killing these, I've noticed that there are actually skeletons in the catacombs somewhere that are a lower level than these hill giants that are 1 in 314, whereas these hill giants are 1 in 310. So I think the play is to actually find the skeletons, as long as I can safe spot them, and head to them. I'm blind, and I'm not right there. So there's the altar. So if I go back down and go west, that should be skeletons. don't have any food. I should probably have food first. But these guys, I wonder if I can safe spot them. Let's try it. Okay, it's multi-way. They might not hit me. So 1 in 314 drop from these guys. I should have looked at the HP of the hill giants. You would think that these would be better. Probably more AFK. So I think I'll start with killing these for a while until I need food, and then I'll go get food. I'm going to get less prayer XP doing these. Also won't get the insult heads. They also probably have a worse drop table in general. Although 45 coins is pretty good. Yeah, we're going to do this. Kill these until I need food. Then I'll go bank and then come back here. I don't want that to hit me. I need the arrows. Oh, look at, don't lose your status. It's not worth it. And there's level 45 range, which I believe gives me another combat level maybe. Now, wheeled chin choppers. 38 combat, 2 levels off. Not that I'm doing Slayer right now, but 2 levels off being able to use the Edgeville Slayer Master, which is handy if that ever comes up. So, as you can tell, I've decided to go back to hill giants. I can safe spot them. I don't need food really. I might jump between them and the skeletons. They're both 1 in 310 drop for the ancient shard. However, the duck totem pieces, let's have a look at the drop rates. Skeleton and 1 in 471, hill giant 1 in 465. So yeah, that's not ideal, but put that down there. I'm trying to bury as many bones as I can because it's my only way I'm going to get protection prayers by doing this. So I was going to invite him down here maybe. No. Oh yeah, we'll tank this guy. But yeah, look, the only thing I could do maybe is go kill black demons down here, which makes it a better drop rate. Like the ancient shard with black demons, you are looking at 1 in 226, but it's not that good considering I'm going to kill these guys faster. So I'll keep killing these guys, I think, just for the speed. I just lost a jug of wine. Happy days. Level 46 range, which we can now wield an Addy crossbow, and I think 39 combat. 1 more combat level, which will probably be done with range, I'd say, and we can start using the Slayer Master when we're doing Slayer tasks in Edgeville, which will be a big help. So pretty good supplies here. Got 1 beginner clue to do. I might just see how long I last on this pack, then go do that and come back. So keep on trucking for now. Let's see what we get from the treasure chest. What do you leave me? A gold bar. Happy days. Well, collection log slot, giant key. Unfortunately, that is not our task, and I believe that that is also going to be on the task list. I just have a feeling. So let's have a quick look. Easy's giant key. What will it be a picture of? You would assume a picture of a key. Chompy Bear, Rune Defender, no. Man, there's a lot of crazy stuff here. That's what we're doing right now. So we're going to do this in this easy tier. We're going to get everything, basically. So I kind of hope we get a rare one first. A totem piece, not an ancient shard. Get a giant key. Unfortunately, that is just how it goes. But anyway, that's another task completed. Not the one we wanted to do. So still trying to get this dark totem piece or ancient shard. You ever had a thought about that? Probably could have avoided killing giants with this ancient shard. But anyway, carry on. And there it is, the dark totem base. Happy days. So we were getting to the point where I have 16 iron arrows left. We were going to have to go. I want to take these with me. I'm going to have to waste a wine. We'll take the clue scroll. Everything else there, I think I'll keep the gold bar. I can get one of them later. That's no stress. So I was actually getting to the point where we were going to have to go and restock arrows, but look at that. The dark totem base. That collection log slot sound is maybe the happiest sound that I've heard. So what we'll do now, we'll bank all of this gear, go up to the very top floor here at Lumbridge. We'll bank all of this. We'll mark off our goods. I will clean this bank up, not while you guys are watching because that's pretty boring. But we can put our totem base in our task items tab. Great. And we can now mark off, get a unique dark totem piece or ancient shard, 2% completed. Now 3%. How good is that? Alrighty, let's roll our next task. What's it gonna be? Give me something good. Give me a diary task. Oh, that's a bit of a grind. I mean, I should get some good supplies from this, which is good. However, I think I'm going to need... where is it? Miscellaneous. Wintertide level 50 fire making. So I'll go do that. Then we can start Wintertide. Yeah, there's not much to it. I'll be back with level 50 fire making. I'm not going to need any of this combat gear for a while. And I'll just put it all in the wrong tab. Awesome. So I'll go get 50 fire making. I'll be back when I have that, and we'll go from there. Thought I'd make a quick little stop to trade our friend Bob. Currently using an iron axe. I don't know how much quicker a steel axe actually is, but for 200 coins it's got to be better than our iron axe. And I ain't about to waste some GP. Give me 33 of them back, baby. Thank you. Keep carrying on. We're currently sitting at 33 wood cutting, but more importantly 37 fire making. 13 levels to go. Then we can get to Wintertide and get this unique done. Just had the pheasant random event and got absolutely ragged by the bloody... this dude. Got me down to 12 hit points throughout that whole event. Like, seriously, man. Let me do the random event, please. This has literally happened like as soon as I got back from the bank. So straight after the other random event. And I'm ragging myself. Breezy at the back. Almost time to go. Yeah, what do you want? Back. Oh, damn it. Give me one more. On top. Where's the other one? Oh, they left me a bird nest. Did they? With an egg. That's cool. Ah, yes. We are going to get another outfit piece. Okay, dude. Which one is it going to be? 3 tails. Yoink. Oh, I'm going to take that. Oh my god. Yes! What are you going to give me? Yeah! You know what? That's a good woodcutting outfit. Quick update. We are 44 fire making, 6 levels to go, and 44 woodcutting. Funny enough. So many random events here, probably because of all these bots. Anyhow, I'll keep going. Our very first live sub. How good is this? Thank you. Keep an eye out in the next vid. Thank you, 60s Osman Ironman. I appreciate it. It's yeah. This is it. I hope you didn't fall asleep watching the videos. Thank you. All the 60s are here. And he's gone. Has this glitched? I've got strange pollen in my inventory. I thought it disappeared with the flowers when you were doing the flowers. One of the forestry events. I wonder if it'll let me bank. It might not even be special. Magical force prevents you from banking this item. Great. Well, I can't bank it. Can examine it. Strange pollen freshly obtained from a flowering bush, useful for cross-pollination. I don't think it's any good to me. I'll use it on this dude, see what happens. I think we destroy it. Anyway, that's pretty cool for a little bit. We had that. Here we go. What are we going to get this time? Let's see. Oh, a lamp and legs. Is that the whole outfit? Maybe it's in other. Miscellaneous, maybe. No. Random events. No, I just need the hat. So, cool. Another one. I don't think these are on the list. I couldn't see them on the task list. If they are, I'll have to tick them off later. But I'll get them as they come. Might as well put these on. And yeah, may as well bang this on. Current task. Make that go a bit quicker. We're nearly there. 49, got 7k XP to go, and we can move on to Wintertide. And with this log, we are there, level 50 fire making. Members can now burn mahogany logs, burn maple pyre logs, wield broomer torches, and enter the Wintertide prison. Okay. Let's make it happen. Gonna quickly bank what is here. I'm gonna buy a ton of wines. Got my new beautiful outfit pieces, which can go in here too. Gonna buy a ton of wines, and then I'll meet you at the Wintertodt camp. Alright, I have no idea what I'm doing. I haven't done this for 2 years, I reckon, and it has changed apparently. So I don't think I can fletch here. I'll take it anyway, just in case. I did see. I'll just try do 3 of these apparently in the video. And then you go use them on this guy. Okay, so apparently that's like food. You guys are gonna be going, yeah, I know it's like food. And apparently sitting here. We don't want to let that warmth bar go below 80 or we lose our Iron Man status, which is great. I don't have a tinderbox. That's okay. We'll just try to get through the first game. I don't know how many points I need. Man, that is going to get really annoying, that all those axes chopping. I might have to turn that off. That one, is it? Put a bit of Wintertodt sound on. So these guys are already putting stuff in there. Should I be fletching? I mean, ignoring the levels, I'm pretty sure you get more. I need a hammer to fix the brazier. Something to light it. Like, how many packs can I expect to get off? Should I eat that? Okay, that does heal me. Let's put these in. By the way, the outfit, I figured we should probably wear our all our gear that we've got, our mining gloves, our Saradome and cape, our hat. Okay, I'm getting 100. I don't really care about the XP. I just want the caskets, maximum points. If you know, guys, what's better for points, just tell me. These seem to be a better option because they are 4 dose, so they take less room. Okay, so I think we're going to get rid of the wines, which is good. We don't have to use our wine. We'll stick with 4 of them maybe in the pack, because we've still got heaps of health. Wintertod's down to 43. So I might fletch this whole pack. And then do I go load at like 30? How many points do I need to get? I thought it was like 1,000. I'm not going to get a casket, am I? Do you get caskets anymore? Is it a reward pool? How does it work? We're going to find out. We are going to find out. Don't know what all this chip damage is, but I'm not dying. I've got 100% warmth. Let's go put all that in. 25% left. I can't fix it, but I need to get that so I can fix the brazier. So they give me 20 each, do they? A bit over 25 each when they're fletched. How many points do I need to get? Okay, 500. So I should get at least 1 try from the first lot, which is good. Doing that, why not? Yeah, so it'll be better when I have a full inventory. I'll probably get more points. We'll go at, say, now. Let's go ahead and put them in. We'll put logs in. What do logs give? 640, 650, 10 for logs, 25 if you fletch them. So it's probably better to fletch them. I'm going to say it's better to fletch. If I need a hammer. Hammer, knife. Say 4 of them. We got 1 kill count. It's going to create medium tier, 2 points. Your own additional rewards. Rewards got, you know, own 2 rewards. Oh, okay. Let's go do that. This could be it. Could be one and done. If it isn't one and done, I'll probably do the rewards in lots of. I'll probably do the rewards in lots of 10. So once I've got 10 rewards. But let's see if we can one and done it with this. Never lucky. But, you know, I mean, that's pretty cool. It's good to know I can ditch that. But yeah, what we'll do, we will go... That can go down the bottom. I just wanted to take this moment while we wrap this game up to thank anyone who has taken the time to like and subscribe. I'm trying to do this as efficiently as possible and trying to get these videos out on time. I will get better with editing over time, and yeah, your patience is, I'm very grateful for anyone that takes the time, so thank you. Please leave a comment. Let's get back to it. Any unique collection log? Oh, that's sick. Yo, that's sick. That's more than I have in the bank. Oh my god. That's actually really helpful. And I mean, the fish is even helpful. Like, that's going to be some just training food even. I'm using wines right now, so... Yeah, nice. Well, I'll come back every time I have 10 pulls, and we'll pull them out. Okay, we have 11 rewards. Let's see. Can we finish it here, right here? Oh, I better pause recording while I put the pin in. Let's try that again. 11 reward pulls. Can we get lucky? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Not too bad. Change of plans. I think I'm going to go for 20 pulls at a time. It's actually like 3 games to get 10 pulls, 3 to 4 games. Get anywhere between 2 and 3 each game, so I'll go for 20 pulls, which is only about, I don't know, 40 minutes of gameplay to get that. So I'll do that and then we will be back. Alright, let's go. 21 reward pulls. Let's try get this done here and now. And my pin again. Surprise me all the time. I've really got to fix that so I can just type it in with my keyboard. Anyway, 21 pulls. We need a unique. We're looking for a collection log. Come on. Some good rubies. Mahogany seed, big. Come on. 10 left. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Collection log. God dang it. Oh well, we'll go another 20. Alrighty, we got another 20. Oh. Present for me. Oh, sick. Let's eat it for good luck. What do we got? Come on. It's a good amount of cash. That's the one thing about this. The cash is nice. Come on. Collection log. Yes! That's it. And 15, so 14, 13, 12. Okay. Oh, how good's that? That is another collection log and a bit of warm clothing for when we keep going in the future. So, that's awesome. We get to go into here, look at our tasks. One unique from Wintertod, sitting at 3% currently. Complete the task. 4%. Alright. Alright. Let's roll it.